Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 3, which as you can see I've got here. I've been more of a JBL speaker type of enthusiast, I suppose, on this channel, but the one Ultimate Ears speaker I have had was the HyperBoom, which is kind of like a Boombox 2 contender, and that was very good actually. I really like that, so thought I'd try one of these out. Very popular. This thing's fully waterproof and everything. They can float. They got you can get little pads for them to sit on as well when they charge, stuff like that. 360-degree sound and everything. So I'm going to do a little unboxing, and then later on there'll be a full-on review on the channel somewhere, with sound tests and everything, of course. So this is what you get when you open the box. Got a little thing here. Get to know your MEGABOOM 3. Tells you a bit how to use it. How to charge. See, that's the pad I was going on about. You can sit it on to charge. Almost wireless, but it's not actually wireless. So then here's the speaker itself. When I first saw it, it's definitely bigger than I expected, actually, you see. This is the MEGABOOM. You can get the Boom 3 as well, which is actually significantly smaller, which I didn't know. But yeah, this is actually quite a hefty thing. Quite heavy as well, but it's got a nice texture to it. Yeah, you can tell it's waterproof. It's got that type of texture. So then there's this bit in the back of the box, which I'm guessing has all the chargers in it. See, very nicely laid out in there. So you've got your European or American one there. You've got thing there that will clip into this brick on the back, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's quite a big brick, quite hefty. Like, got a mat with the Ultimate Ears logo on it there, quite nice. And then, see, the thing I'm confused about this speaker with, I don't know if you can see, micro USB charging, which is, well, just old-fashioned, you know. I mean, as you can see, it's got one port on the back, this thing, which is that micro USB port. And, like, I don't know, micro USBs are just, I feel like they're quite, hopefully it should be becoming a thing of the past, really. So, but yeah, apart from that, the whole unboxing experience is very nice. So yeah, that's what it's like. In the next video, I'll do a review and sound test and everything. But for now, that's it.